My stomach.
I had McDonald's for breakfast.
Alright, you guys go ahead and watch this. Hopefully that gets your reaction.
Why do I see some guy?
Our number one fan. What the fuck's that?
What are you doing?
That doesn't look right.
No, it's not.
Scroll up. You gotta scroll up. Look how much it's
I know.
Boo.
Alright. Alright, let's go.
Is it gross?
There you go. 2 girls. One couple will be coming.
Oh!
That is disgusting.
Are you serious? Oh!
Keep watching.
Your teeth are disgusting.
Oh.
Dude. Oh my god.
Keep watching.
It's so good.